just saw you last video, and now we're back. We're back in time. Yeah, we're back again for the snacks.
For the snacks. Hi, I'm VMAB, and welcome to another snack time episode.
Snack time, y'all, it's back for snack time. What we're gonna try today is my killer. We don't know just yet. Let's go.
I am here with...
Oh, I didn't say
You always mess it up!
Hi.
J-Bird.
Okay.
J-Bird.
I am not fancy.
Oh, he's judging you.
J-Bird.
Other sister. Alright, today we are going to try a Biscoff and Go. It's basically a cookie and some type of dip thing. Yeah, it's just cookie butter and breadsticks.
I want to try it.
And I'm not too sure about this one, but it's Suja organic celery juice.
I'm pretty sure that one you shake.
Read it first.
I'll read it. Yeah. It doesn't say not to.
Shake that bitch.
Yeah, it says shake things up.
Shake, shake,
So
shake.
it tells me to shake it.
Shake.
Sonora, be like Shakira and shake it.
Alright, so. Don't lick it. Alright, so here we go. How do I open this thing? Oh, I found it.
You sound like that one scream from Sonic Unleashed when he is in his monster form and he dies.
It smells good.
I'm excited.
It reminds me of those cheesy breadstick things.
Those
The
are
little
bomb.
kid
I eat like 5 of those in a row.
Alright, so.
Don't eat it till it's time.
Yeah.
It looks like peanut butter.
Cool, you got a big old chunk. You
So I'm
better
gonna
hope
eat
it's
the
good.
whole stick thing.
You better hope it's
Is
good.
that peanut butter?
Well, I've tried the original not biscuit.
Biscuit!
The Lotus cookie things that they have, so those are pretty good.
Eat a big one.
Mine's got a nice little hairdo.
Here we go. That's real good. It tastes like the biscuit things. Yeah. So I'm gonna give it a like to that one. That was good. I like that. She's gonna keep eating it. Alright.
Tastes like Teddy Grahams.
Yeah,
Yeah!
that's it.
British Teddy Graham. Just stick.
Actually, I don't think it's from Britain. It's from somewhere else. I know that. Oh well. I'll figure it out later. Alright, so celery juice. I don't want to take it.
Is that cookie butter?
Yeah. Who would have guessed?
Does it smell like celery?
It smells like celery.
There you take a big old gulp of it.
Don't do
Alright, but you gotta try it first.
Alright, let me get a cookie up there.
Safety cookie.
Alright, that's a deemable cookie right there.
Just lick the whole butter thing. I've seen Benji make that face. It smells like celery
Celery.
and grass.
It reminds me of Thanksgiving.
It tastes like celery.
I would imagine it's celery juice.
It tastes a lot worse than it smells.
Do you need the cup?
Dramatic. Gemini.
Gemini.
That was disgusting. Why was it sour?
Because it's got lemon juice in it.
Just a,
You gotta squeeze a lemon. Alright, here we
No,
go.
give me my drink first.
Oh, okay.
big old gulp. Ew. You did too. Yeah. Yeah. It tastes worse than it smells.
Yeah. It tastes better after it's gone. Because then it just tastes like celery now.
There's like a little hint, because at first it tastes like a shit ton of celery as it is.
Yeah.
And then there's one part right in the middle, right before you're done tasting it. It's like, what is that?
What is that? Then I want to throw it
Why
up.
is it spicy? Like, yeah, that's kind of where it's at. Like, why?
I don't like it. It's gross.
And then it goes back to just being like a lot of celery. It's
Yeah.
just an overwhelming amount of celery.
It hit the back of my throat and I immediately wanted to spit it back out.
Put it like in a soup or something.
Yeah. I almost threw up. No.
God, just toss it.
No.
No.
Automatic
You
trash.
want a cookie?
Like, if you're a health nut and love celery, go ahead. But, no. These cookie things are better.
Cookie things are good. I like them. If I had to rate it, I would say 12 out of 10. And the celery juice.
Shit! -15.
Grass trimmings out of the jungle.
I'd rather eat the floor beans than
Floor beans, floor beans.
Alright.
I've had grass soda, and it was delicious.
It was better than that, that's for
Yeah.
sure, but it was still
The
gross.
peanut butter and jelly was better than that.
The one that goes,
At least
it's
a
done
little.
right.
At first is a that's good rather than like.
Yeah.
Like some health juices are really good if it's done right.
That's not done right.
That was just straight up celery.
Ah.
Who just like celery so much? They're like, I gotta drink.
Give me a carrot in there at least.
Maybe some pineapple.
Got a little sweetness in there.
Put some berries, an orange.
Berries.
Make it into a smoothie and we're good.
Like those naked green machine things.
Give me some peanut butter in there. This all good.
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
Some raisins. Put it in the blender. Smoothie.
Okay. Well, that's it for the snack time episode.
We got poisoned.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video telling me what you want to see me try.
Annihilate, subscribe, buddy.
And thank you to
NinjaSayian.
Hi.
J-Bird.
and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.